Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the auto translate chat function on the Rave application. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below in the right side corner, select the service that you would like to use, and once the application is open, tap on a video that you would like to watch with your friends, and then click on this settings icon that you can find at the top of the screen. That's the second option.
Good, better than too early. That's where.
Then as you scroll down, you are going to find this auto translate chat button, so tap on it, and once it's turned to green, it means that it's turned on. If you want to turn it off, tap on the button again. When it turns gray, it means that it's turned off. So that's how you can manage the auto translate chat function. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.